Well, it's been exactly a week. I immersed this into a tub of water, added some black dye in there it's a good indication to see if water actually seeped into the strips of butyl. And we recap. Strip A was applied by hand, pressed by hand. Strip B was applied by hand, and then we pressed it using this roller. Strip C and D, we applied it using this tape gun from First Adhesive Technologies. You can get it from our website. However, in strip D here, we applied this, pressed it with a roller. So here is the moment of truth. Take these clamps off here. Let's remove the top one, which was supposed to simulate a deck structure. As you can tell, there's some dye got in there and stained the markers. Let's turn it around. And you can see some dye there. I don't see any kind of black within the strips of butyl. I can see it on the edges. You get really close there, you can see some black, but not within here. So those naysayers that say butyl does not work really need to see this video. It proves it does. Hope this little experiment added some value to your contractors, for you can convince your clients to invest in extra money in adding butyl to the deck, as well as your do-it-yourselfers. To add this to your deck structure for several years down the road, you won't have to rip the deck in and redo the structure. So we appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and the like button, as well as the notification button, for you can be notified of future video content in regarding to the materials for building a deck. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.